Thunder! 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 Thundercat!
YouTubers, what is up? Will with F1 Tech. Today we're gonna take a look at the Roccat Kone Aimo gaming mouse. You know, I've been wanting to exchange my Mad Catz Pro mouse for a while now. I did some custom work to it. It didn't really come out the greatest, but I think it's time for me to move on from it and get something that can match my whole setup. And the Roccat Kone Aimo actually has a white gaming mouse, so it has RGB lighting and I can do whatever I want with it. We'll check it out. We'll see if the mouse is good for gaming. It's got an optical sensor. We'll see how to set this up. We'll check out the RGB colors. We'll check the software. We'll check to see how good it performs in some games and see how smooth it feels and also how it feels on the hands. And then from there, I'll give you my final thoughts. But for now, let's check this unboxing out. Lego. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. Pull out the handy knife. Let's see what we got here. One here.
Relax. Do not think of it as an animal. It is simply a target. Clear your mind.
All right. All right. Just like all my other unboxings, I really like to take my time opening these boxes. I like keeping it intact. I'm a big time hoarder when it comes to keeping these boxes. Okay. Nothing inside. And here's the mouse. There's obviously stuff in the bottom of it, so let's pull that out. Just looks like some documentation, maybe some stickers. I'm not gonna use that. And here's the mouse. Let's see, first impression, very slick, very smooth. I wonder if this is gonna be, this might be a problem when trying to lift. It's so smooth. There's no rubber on there. But other than that, the mouse feels pretty good. So going around the mouse, we have scroll wheel that you can go left, right, left mouse button, right mouse button, your DPI settings. Nothing here on the right side. You have two buttons here, 1, 2, and a third one down here in the bottom, which is, I would pretty much call it like a shift key, maybe. You press shift and now, or you press this button and now you can remap all the buttons that you have on your mouse. So that's pretty cool. We'll see how this works out, you know, function wise, if it's practical, when we go back and plug this into the computer. So why don't we just go ahead and do that now? Let go. So the Roccat Aimo plugged in is a beautiful mouse. It definitely has a different feel to it from my Logitech G600. The most obvious reason being, of course, that the Aimo has an optical sensor, while the G600 has a laser sensor. I thought that because of the smoothness of this mouse, I would have issues playing games where I would need to lift the mouse up to move. I can say that I did not have that issue at all. I can't say that this may not bring up issues to anyone else using this mouse, but for me, the experience was just fine. So Roccat has a pretty simple but useful app that allows you to customize the settings on your mouse, from mouse acceleration to polling rates to DPI settings. They're all there for you. Customizing the button layout is pretty simple and straightforward. Just select the button you would like to customize and adjust what key you would like to map it to. For the illumination, you have a good amount of options for the lighting effect. You can also set the color on your scroll wheel and the two sides of the mouse. Again, pretty straightforward and simple to do. So my final thoughts of the Roccat Kone Aimo. Well, it does what it's supposed to do. It's a good gaming mouse. I love the tactical feel or the clickiness of the buttons. It's got a good software program. The RGB lights are nice. The optical sensor is smooth. You can't go wrong. The only gripe I have is how damn smooth it is. I wish it had some type of rubber piece in the side of it, so when you lift it, it won't slide off. I haven't had that issue, but I think other people might. My hands probably fit this mouse really good, and I didn't have an issue moving it or picking it up and moving it down, but I can see how someone can have that issue. It's really smooth. Other than that, guys, would I recommend this to anyone who's looking to purchase a gaming mouse? I would. You know, for less than $100, you can't go wrong. It's a good mouse. So those are my thoughts, guys. That's all I have for you. If you are new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and guys, I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.